Hi everybody, it's Miss Jenny again from my living room. I wanted to bring one of the class favorites that we haven't read in a long time back. So this is Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tadgh Bentley. Again, I apologize if I said your name wrong. But yeah, fan favorite, here we go. Oh, hello, it's nice to meet you. Oh, Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you might be able to help. You may have noticed that I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure the hiccups. So, I need you to scare me. But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Boo.
Is that it? But let's try again. Louder this time. 1, 2, 3.
Boo.
That was pretty scary. Maybe that cured my No. Will I have hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Franklin! What on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out at me, so now my feathers are all wet and my mom is gonna go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you so much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco.